Hello, Todd. Good to see you.
Hello, Duiga. It's very good to see you as well.
How are you today? How is everything?
I'm I'm doing great. It's almost it's 5 p.m. in Turkey and getting ready for enjoying the weekend.
It is
How
amazing.
about yourself?
All good. I am in New York. We changed the countries,
Yes.
and there are a few beautiful meetings. And right now we are here. I would like to start to introduce me and Elizabeth V7, and after that we would love to hear your story. And of course, I will have some questions about our mission and the technology.
Yep. Super.
Hello, everybody. My name is Duygu Özen. I am founder and CEO for V7 AI, and I am a tech entrepreneur more than 15 years. And today I am here with my co-founder Todd. We would love to share with you what is V7 AI and what is our mission, how we bring together AI and sustainability. V7 AI is on a mission to decarbonize marketing, but also supporting enterprise companies increase their ROI with regenerative innovation principles. We started talking with companies and CMO. We have a great feedbacks, and we see that industry is ready to transform the marketing more, becoming the more green. And it is not just about cost per click, but also creating the carbon conscious marketing strategies. And this is our mission. And when we look to industry, there are many numbers right now. And there's a huge problem around the marketing. Marketing creating the carbon more than aviation industry. That's a huge problem. And our mission with my team, Todd, and our other partners to decarbonize the marketing. And Todd, we would love to listen you, what you are doing under the V7, and of course your background. Thank you.
Certainly. My name is Todd Bill. I've been working in technology for over 25 years for large web platforms in different social impact and green spaces and health tech for 15 years, uh, doing lots of large data projects, monitoring and evaluation, things that I think tie in very well to the mission of We7. I'm excited to bring that technical knowledge and skills to Duga's innovation with the We7, and looking forward to launching this product and helping to decarbonize marketing.
It's amazing. Thank you for being here, Todd. We are really lucky to have you on the board. And we starting to developing our technology. Actually, we are launching very soon our startup package, but we will announce end of this conversation. Todd, as you know, we meet so many enterprise companies. We are joining the events, and there are investors. I have a common some questions. I try to respond it, but and then I thought, let's ask these questions during our live stream on LinkedIn. I have a tough questions right now.
All right, I'm ready.
especially, especially the question is around, of course, AI conscious people means that we are using the AI and our technology, but also we are talking about regenerative innovation or sustainability. The first question is, how do you see AI playing a meaningful journey about the sustainability? Because the AI spends so much water, electricity, and so on. But how we are balancing it under the V7, and what is your philosophy around it?
Yeah, I see a lot of concern. I'm concerned myself about the amount of electricity and water resources that are being used to make these data centers possible and training ever larger models. I really see a way forward with, in our case, trying to use AI models for bringing down or the amount of energy spent on marketing by finding new avenues and new ways to interpret the data that's we have and are gathering. So gathering about marketing efforts, using AI to find source new patterns inside that data and then use that data to form new strategies about uh, reaching in a meaningful way, reaching audiences, and also finding ways to reduce the energy spent on delivering the marketing and especially digital advertising, finding data centers that are carbon zero or other innovative things that are using solar, wind power, really trying to use the AI tools to source new ideas together with people. Always want to have
Absolutely.
humans in the loop with whatever we're doing. So using the with human reinforcement, using the AI tools.
Definitely. Yes, it is so important for us, even though we are a software company and developing all these technologies and sharing our services, but every aspect of our journey needs to be human touch. And this is a really great point. The other things taught, we are talking about advertisement and sustainability and marketing. And also we are talking about decarbonization. And what type of API needs to be integrated, or how do our enterprise companies will make sure we are not doing the greenwashing but sharing our services? Any framework?
Yeah. So one thing that's come to my attention recently through the Google Ad platform, they are doing reporting about the carbon footprint of your ad spend on the Google Ad platform. So that's reporting that's coming directly from the data centers that I think will provide a great deal of proof that the companies are not doing greenwashing or playing with the numbers. You can get direct from the source numbers about what's happening. I think also we're talking with a carbon marketplace in Turkey, GreenX, they have a very innovative looking platform providing sale and purchase of carbon credits that are all blockchain backed, also with very thorough reporting about what's happening there. So I think transactions, reports that are coming from reputable firms about what's happening that can be shown to uh, government agencies or other agencies that are inquiring about the efficacy and the standards that the enterprises are using. I think these are very important things, and we're starting to see more of them. So I think there will be additional ones coming, but those are the ones that are standouts at the moment.
Yes, yes, Todd. It is really important right now to see the industry like a Google Ad platforms and Meta will start it too. They are thinking about the sustainability and how they can decarbonize itself. But as V7 AI, we are the first regenerative marketing platforms. It means that we will use that data in a secure way, and also we will create strategies around the ROI or better CPC, but also we will recommend them to how they can decarbonize their ads. There's a beautiful alignment with this new update under the Google API, but also about our platform as well. When you look to AI in sustainability field, Todd, how do you see the future right now? As you know, Google's starting this update and they are using AI too. How do you see the marketing and AI and sustainability?
I think from the sustainability aspect of it, I think that we'll start to see a lot more use of smaller models. I mean, really
Mhm.
down into the being able to continue with AI. I think the large data centers, yes, there will still be those, but I think customers will increasingly be looking to reduce the footprint of the AI models they're using, running local models. We saw a huge disruption at the beginning earlier in the year where the DeepSeek model came out, which drastically reduced the amount of resources used to train the model. I expect that there will be other leaps like that. I think, uh, well, the transformers, predictive based models still have a place. I think there are other technologies, neurosymbolic AI, other things that are being worked on that I think will allow us to have equally powerful or more powerful AI tools with a commensurate reduction in the amount of resources needed. I think that's
Great.
where I see things moving in the future. It may take us a little while to get there. Everybody seems to be very excited still about the transformer model, which needs ever larger input sources to keep making ever larger probability based recommendations.
Yes, it seems like AI will solve the problem itself somehow. AI will,
Uh,
yeah.
Fingers crossed. I'm on the fence on that. I'm very excited about many aspects of AI, but really starting to fear the strain that is being put on a lot of places. That these big data centers, especially in the U.S., are popping up and near urban centers or places that already have very constrained water resources. So I think I need some more outside of the box sort of to really be able to push the AI usage and training in a better place.
Yes. And this morning I had a meeting with somebody in Turkey, and they asked me what is the difference between to regenerative and sustainability business. And I told them we are using the most regeneration because our purpose is not just to supporting the sustainability, but the regenerate to the effort of the marketing on the internet. It means that we decarbonize and recommending to regeneration. Because when we talk about regeneration as a philosophy or innovation, we usually looking for the maybe offline businesses or offline services, but the first time we are using the regeneration with AI. It's the reason I am having every time these questions, what will happen to AI, and you are using this part. But like you mentioned, we will solve this problem with our collaborations like a Green X and other collaborations, as you know. And the other things are personal services will be important as well to creating the regenerative marketing strategies with the enterprise companies. And how do you see the V7 AI in the close future? How enterprise companies will benefit it in your perspective as a technologist?
Yes. So I think while we're you getting access and working with data from these enterprise customers, I really want to stress that that data will be a conversation solely between We7 and the customer. That data will not be shared or insights drawn from specific data points in the enterprise data. We have additional tools which we are using and training to source insights into advertising and marketing in general, and looking for uh, new ways, new avenues that are aligned with our regenerative and sustainability goals, with bringing ROI on in marketing investments. So finding new avenues, new approaches to making marketing materials, targeting smaller audiences that are maybe more niche or more conscious. We really are trying to reach a broader, not a wider amount of audience with, I think, more targeted messages that are more
So true.
personal and closer to what their goals and their values are. That's what we're going to be using and have started building AI tools for. So being able to show not only that the enterprises are in line with the mission of reducing emissions, becoming sustainable, but then using this regenerative ideas and looking for new models for marketing.
Absolutely, Todd. Thank you for sharing. And also, let me add a few things about V7 AI, how it works. In this conversation, we have actually 7 steps, which is had the patent from us. And that 7 steps, starting the purpose creation to transformation, and per step, aligning with the SDG goals for the enterprise companies, but also creating the regenerative marketing strategies. Like you mentioned, we have our own frameworks and ML models and so on. At the same time, we are supporting this idea with Lola, which is our the agentic AI, and it will help the enterprise companies during their journey on the V7, as well, to creating the new type of campaign ads, or creating the conscious marketing funnels, or finding the new segment, like you mentioned, niche segment, to find out to which community or the people supporting the SDG, because they will align the enterprise company's mission to show up to their ads or their mission as well. Any question for me? Do you have any question for me?
For me
Um,
or the audience?
no, do you have any question to me?
Uh, Not just at the
Not
moment.
now.
Sorry.
Great. And let's share a little bit our startup package thoughts. And we are
Yes.
launching very soon, most likely to next week. It will be alive. Um, what the startup companies should expect of that package?
They should expect we're launching with integration into the Google Ad platform and being able to get insights into this is again the sustainability and where there could be improvements with uh, using different aspects of the ad platform, potentially switching to different server farms, really getting sustainability insights into the usage of the Google Ads platform. And then in
I
the near next phase, we're going to get into the Meta ad platform, the Amazon ad platform, I think shortly thereafter, but Meta will be next.
Yes, it is really so exciting, because we are doing our own testing to see the results, and that result is really promising about regenerative marketing. But also, we are planning to publishing our blueprints. It is not just using the AI and implementing regenerative marketing, but also you yourself, you can implement some principles into your business as well. And we will be happy to launching that white papers and blueprints very soon. Please follow us everywhere, and we will be happy. Any questions or feedbacks as well. Thank you, Todd. I think the last question is about the AI and sustainability. What is the misconception right now? Do you see the misconception about the AI and sustainability part?
I think most people have a misalignment with the AI energy consumption and sustainability, and I think that companies like We7 are aiming to turn that around. I know it's a long path, but I think really trying to bring more awareness to the marketing as segment, which is in last year alone was between a trillion and nearly $2 trillion, somewhere in between there, worth of marketing spending to bring some sustainability goals to that, and to really get alignment between companies and consumers about sustainability. I know this is sort of at the moment a little bit anathema in the U.S., but really looking towards the European market and some of the
Yeah.
emerging world to drive this, and hopefully we can get the U.S. back on track with trying to promote some of this. There are some real standout companies in the US. Patagonia is one that comes to top of mind, several others, but I think Chobani, sorry, those kinds of companies are really championing uh, being responsible citizens of the world, and I think we need to really help those companies uh, blow their horn about this efforts, and to really help the other companies and enterprises to with similar efforts to help the planet.
Yes, so thank you so much. You mentioned that Patagonia and Chobani because yes, we are an innovative company. We are the first time creating the regenerative marketing platform with AI, but actually there are companies who are already using the regenerative marketing principles, like you mentioned, Patagonia and Chobani, and there are great examples about their works. And thank you so much. Um, Okay, and would you like to add something? I think my questions are already done. But if you would like to add something, and we would love to listen.
I don't have any prepared remarks. I'm very excited. Again, this idea that there's $1 trillion to $2 trillion a year being spent. This excites me as a very large opportunity to help move the needle in an area which I think is primarily driven solely by ROI and uh,
Absolutely.
a nearsighted mission of just proving that the ROI is the main number. So I think if we can help to improve awareness of sustainability goals, and I think that there is among younger generations a real uh, feeling of need and want to have what they're doing be impactful and meaning, and a greater awareness of the environment and the planet, which I think that marketing messages are just starting to do a little bit to get in line with. And I think that this kind of a project, the We7AI project, and others that may come after, are going to help align those big enterprises with messages that can really reach those people who are on a different trajectory in their lives and their consumption habits.
A beautiful message. So thank you so much. Yes, we are every time we talk to the same thing. We are beyond the tech company. We are giving to some legacy in the world, and it will be about marketing and the regenerative innovation. And we are hoping we will help so many companies to be example to use the marketing for good and AI as well. Thank you, Todd, for being here. Hopefully, we will continue like this conversation frequently in the future. And who listen us, please reach out to talk about regenerative marketing, and we would love to show you our demo as well. We are on this mission. It's not an easy mission, but we have a great support, great team, and the partners right now. And there are amazing enterprise companies are interested in the decarbonize their marketing. And that's the mission, first of all. And every support is so appreciated. Thank you so much. Thank you,
Thank
Todd.
you.
Talk to you soon.
Thank you. We'll talk to you
Bye bye.
soon. Bye bye.
Bye.